I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're taking this chunk of wood here, this oak, we're making a threshold. So we have a sled here with a edge to hold that piece of wood from kicking out. We put a shim in here to put it up at an angle, and what we're doing is we're planing it and cutting into an angle here so that the water can run off of the threshold. Alright, so as you can see, we use different shims. It took us 3 different shims here to get that necessary angle. But as you can see, we definitely have now a slope, so the door is going to sit here on this part of the threshold, and then this will actually run the water down and away from the door.